I'll do a very quick video on the DEA7WL2. So this is a door beam. I've already taken all the bits out of the packaging. So you get the reflector here, and this is the screw and mount that you can see at the back. So it's that black screw and the mount. So that's a reflector. Then you've got the door beam here. We'll see a red light come out. And from the front of the door beam, you'll have the beam comes out of here, bounces against the reflector, and that hits this sensor if it's aligned correctly. So if it's aligned correctly, that red light will disappear like a closed circuit. If it's not aligned, you'll see a red light. I'll show you in a second, hopefully. Then you get a mount that sticks onto this. So those are the two screw holes. And that's the mount. And again, you've got a couple of silver screws this time and a couple of wall anchors that go on the bottom there. You get two power supplies. These are Aussie approved power supplies, 12 volt, half an amp. They're both the same, so it doesn't matter where you plug in the power supply. You can plug it into here or you can plug it into there. That doesn't really matter. And this is a buzzer. So yeah, one power supply goes into the beam, the other power supply goes into the buzzer. The buzzer can be located in a different place. You have a couple of controls which you manage using the screwdriver, the Phillips head, and the two options are timer and volume. So the timer, that relates to the alarm. So when you have it in alarm mode, the timer will go from virtually nothing, I think they say 3 seconds, up to 30 seconds. So the alarm will go on for that long. I'll show you how that sounds. And the volume, so that applies to both the alarm and the chime. Obviously when it's in off mode, you won't hear anything. The output, that's for the counter, so that's an optional accessory. So the counter comes with a 10-meter long cable and a counter for seeing how many customers have come in for the day. So I'll quickly set it up. So I've plugged in the buzzer here, and we've got the controls and it's set to chime. And over here, we've got the beam facing towards the reflector. And to work out whether it's aligned, sorry about that, you look for the red beam. So if you see the red beam, then you know it's not aligned. If you can't see the red beam, then you know that the signal's coming out of the laser and it's bouncing against the reflector. So we can see it's aligned there. I'll take it out of alignment and you can see a red light there. That in, there we go. So that's aligned. And so what are our options? We've got a chime here, we've got an alarm there. So the alarm, you can change the duration based on that timer button. So that's on a short timer, and if I screw it to the right, that'll go up to 30 seconds. And the volume level, obviously, you can adjust it using this screwdriver. If the thing isn't working and you want to find out, is it the speaker, just use that small tool, place it in there, and then you'll hear it make a noise. So that's how you test whether that's working.